officer heard the cries of an unfortunate dog that had accidentally gotten tangled up in some fabric, which the officer didn't hesitate to cut. After that, this dog's joy knew no bounds. This turtle had one last chance to escape a huge tiger shark, and these guys knew what had to be done.
Save him from the tiger shark.
This bear cub lost its mother and came to people in search of food, so now they have to take care of him. Look at this little guy. Mad respect for carrying a whole ecosystem on its back. But along with this pile of shells often comes parasites, so this man gets the turtle cleaned up and saves its life.